Hello, my name is Dr. Michelle Maidenberg. Today, I'm going to do a guided meditation around increasing our motivation and also providing inspiration. So, depending on where we're at, in terms of how we're feeling about ourselves, the circumstance we find ourselves in, our motivation could definitely vary. Sometimes we could be totally inspired, and other times somewhat deflated. And it's important to really tap into that inspiration, the thing that motivates you, that really compels your drive. And we all have that little spark inside of us. Sometimes it just needs to be ignited. So hopefully this guided meditation will help to ignite your motivation and inspiration. So if you feel comfortable enough, if you could sit up straight and close your eyes. And let's begin by taking a moment to really settle in your body. And allow your spine to lift and for your shoulders to soften. And today we are going to practice remembering what inspires and motivates us. And take in full breaths. And allow your mind to rest. And if you can, call to mind something where you might be feeling a lack of motivation. Could be, for example, something you want to achieve. It could be even having a conversation with somebody about something, whatever it is. And if you're having a hard time accessing something, perhaps it's a task, at work or at home, project that you've been putting off. It could be repairing a relationship issue with a friend or family member. And again, just give yourself some room and just lightly see what comes up without stressing or straining. And as you envision this issue, listen to these questions. And again, see what comes up. And there's no need to figure anything out. If nothing comes to mind, just continue to focus on your breath. And just notice what thoughts are arising. And let them pass through your mind as if carried by a gentle breeze. And ask yourself, when it comes to this issue, what is my greatest aspiration? What about this issue is most important to me? And what might be getting in the way of me addressing this issue? And how do I want to show up in relationship to this issue? And again, without stress or strain, Just allow whatever thoughts to come up and to surface. And notice how you feel in your body and in your mind when you consider these questions. And without judgment or resistance, just notice and allow it to be. Notice any sensation that's arising in your body, any thoughts that are coming up in your mind. And again, there's nothing to figure out. Just notice what comes up for you. And if this issue was in progress or completed, what would that mean to me? Think about yourself. And if this issue was in progress or completed, what would that feel like to me? And see if you could really feel that feeling, allowing yourself to fully absorb it. And as you experience these feelings of accomplishment, consider how you can access this place again the next time you face this issue or something similar. How can you use these feelings as a source of focus? And can these feelings serve as a motivation for you to engage? And finally, ask yourself, what is my intention going forward? And again, just notice what's going on in your mind and body, and any thoughts and feelings are getting evoked. And you could think about something that came up for you in the past, a source of accomplishment, where you were able to really tap into your inspiration and your motivation. And what were some of the factors and the elements that allowed you or connected you to your inspiration? And how could you use those elements in future issues or challenges? And tap into that part of you and that side of you. That is filled with strength and resilience and inspiration and creativity. The parts that you feel so proud of. The parts that leave you and enable you to thrive and to excel and to move forward. and really capture the feeling in your body so that you could tap into it and have access to it whenever you need it. And take a snapshot of that feeling and those thoughts that motivate and inspire you. And let's finish with a full deep breath. So deep breath in and deep breath out. And one more time in and out. And when I count to 3, and when you're ready, you could open your eyes. 1, 2, and 3. I believe in you wholeheartedly and unconditionally. Thank you.